Hey, what's going on, my friend and fellow affiliate marketer? Justin Temple here with a quick video on affiliate marketing programs for beginners. Now, if you have not been following my channel, I have a ton of videos on affiliate marketing, network marketing, how to make money online, how to generate traffic, leads, and sales for your affiliate links, how to build funnels, etc. So please like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications for future videos. I normally also have a little camera of me in the corner, but I wanted to do this video without a camera. So let's go ahead and talk about the affiliate marketing programs for beginners. And rather than telling you like what my number one program is, right? So I could just be like, oh, just join this and blah, 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 right? So rather than doing that, I'm actually going to teach you what I look for in being able to find high quality affiliate marketing programs for beginners, okay? So the first thing is you want a high converting front end funnel. So this is going to include done for you pages, sales funnel, video sales letter, and maybe even email follow-up, okay? So you want a program that has a high converting funnel, but more importantly, if they don't have a done for you funnel, you want high quality marketing materials, okay? So that's going to be like a sales funnel, video sales letter, email follow-ups, maybe banners and things like that. So really you want a high converting front end funnel. And let me show you an example of a high converting front end funnel. I can leave the link to this program down below in the description. It'll be justinleontemple.com/AL-CP. And this is a very, very high converting program. So you want to try to find stuff like this that looks nice, that has a video very, very high up, and then has a button, and also we'll talk about a value ladder in a minute, but it's preferably better to have a low ticket front end offer that people can spend a few dollars on, and then we have a nice sales page right here, testimonials, results, information, etc. Right? Okay, testimonial videos, testimonials, money back guarantee, etc., etc. Right? So then when we go to exit, we can actually purchase for $7 per month right here, okay? Or we can join for a one-time fee of $97 one time, okay, with the bonus, okay? So really, really cool. This is a good high converting front end program for solo ads and traffic in general. So if you wanted to promote this program, I would highly, highly recommend it, and obviously join through my link to get my support. But yeah, so this is something that works really, really well. Now, this program has very, very high quality back-end training as well. So that's one of the aspects that you want to look for, okay? Quality training and support. So when you get inside of the training, what do people learn? Okay, so go through the training and see how good it is, okay? If it is not good, then do not promote the program, okay? So you want to make sure that you have quality training because it will duplicate, okay? And you don't have to teach, okay? So it's better for new people. So new people do not have to know anything. New people can refer their team to training videos. Okay? So that's why you want quality training and support. If they have questions, tell them to ask support. Okay? Now, as time goes on, you're going to want to be able to know more about your program and just answer people's questions in a minute, so that way they can just move on. But, you don't need to know anything. Okay, so you want quality training and support, so that way people can actually learn what to do and actually are happy with the product. So number 3 is community and people, community of people like Facebook. So it's good to have a group of Facebook people because you can get social proof, okay? And add them to your funnel and email follow-up. Okay, so that's why you really want a Facebook group. It also reinforces authenticity, so your team stays and buys. Okay, so really, really important that they have a group of some kind so that the owner can help people. The owner is available. Okay, so you need to be able to message the owner, okay, or email them, or whatever, text them. So it is, as long as they're available, as long as they're able to answer your questions, you want quick replies. Okay. Now, they are the owner, so don't really be too strict on them, but you want to make sure that they're available. Okay. High commission rate, so you want to make sure you are earning 50% or more per sale, no matter what. Okay, so very, very important that you have a high commission rate for a program. If they don't have a high commission rate, then it means they're probably hiding something, or they're just trying to make more money than you are. So now you want to also have a value ladder. Okay, so a value ladder is like when I showed you that program that starts at $7, right? But then it has a $29 upsell, and then a $97 upsell, and then a $297 upsell, and then a $997, I think. So I know it has upsells like this, but I think those are the prices. And so you are on that program I just showed you, you earn 50% on all this, and then if you upgrade to the there's also a $197 where you actually can upgrade your commissions to 75%. So if you buy this, you earn 75% on everything rather than 50. So the program I just showed you is actually really, really, really good, and it works really well with solo ads. I get actually a 10% conversion rate on the program. So you want a value ladder because you're going to be able to make more money per sale. Okay, and then you're going to be able to, if you have a low front, so not most people don't buy high ticket. Okay, a lot of people say high ticket is more money for the same work, equals lies. Okay, you can sell 1,000 $7 programs before you ever sell one $9.97 program. Okay, so what you want to do is sell a low ticket front end for $7, and then that will go ahead, and after they buy that, it offers a $47 product, right? And then it offers a $97 product, okay? And then you offer a $297 product, and then you offer a $997 product. So this will be like something small, some training. This will be like something to go with the training to help them execute the training. This will be an additional training on like more advanced stuff. This will be like maybe a done for you thing, or an additional product, or like an inner circle where you go live This could be like a done-for-you thing where you actually build someone's funnel or set up someone's emails for them, or where like you could do any kind of value ladder you want. It could be like this as well, free, okay, and then teeth whitening, okay, and then Invisalign, okay, right, or it could be braces, and then Invisalign, okay, and then retainer, right? So if you have bad teeth, maybe you get a free teeth whitening, okay, a free teeth whitening, and then you get monthly cleaning, okay, and then maybe your dentist gets you to the orthodontist, and then you start spending money with the orthodontist, and then so like they could do a teeth cleaning at the dentistry, and then they could do like where they pull teeth, okay, if you have a bad tooth, right? So they can upsell you on other stuff. So the free teeth whitening is free. The monthly cleaning is going to be $27 per month. The tooth pull is going to cost $297, right? And then so it's a value ladder, right? It goes up in value. You can start with free. You can start with a free training on Facebook that goes to a small $7 product that you make about how to hit 5K friends, or you could do like $7 for my top 50 social media posts so that you can study them and model them, right? And then you upsell them into a $97 program where you go live and you help people with Facebook, right? So it's a value ladder. Price goes up. You're not just making money on $7. You're making money on this, and this, and about 10% or 10 to 15% of people actually buy everything. About half of the people will actually buy about 2 things. Okay, so really, really powerful. And then the next thing is you want it to be proven to work. So don't really be the first. Okay, don't be the first. Doesn't really matter. If it's a matrix, then yeah, sure, be the first. But if it's not proven to work, don't be the first. Make sure that it has. Make sure it has testimonials, and make sure that there are maybe a few known people in the program. Okay, that's also a good sign. Not necessarily a good sign, but it's just, at least it's not totally brand new. You want some people to be in it that you've at least heard of, and if not, that's fine. You can join stuff that's new if you want. But this is really the best thing to do for affiliate marketing programs for beginners, is to find programs that fit this criteria. And if you want to check out my #1 program that does fit this criteria, you can check out the link down below in the description, justinleontemple.com / I think I have it right here actually. Anyways, so JU here. This is the page that you're going to go ahead and see right here. Okay, and then that page will take you to here. Okay, and then you can go ahead and watch this video and sign up for the program that works really, really well for beginners. And I have a ton of bonuses. I'll even help you build a funnel that is branded to you inside of any program that you work with me on. But these are the major 7 components to being able to successfully do affiliate marketing programs for beginners. I appreciate you watching this video. Please like, subscribe, comment, and hit the bell notifications for future affiliate marketing videos. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. And again, Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notifications, click the link, click the link, click the link. Thank you.